going to tell you how 3D printing works. 3D printing is the process of constructing a three-dimensional object, thereby then using a computer-aided design. Now we are going to tell you the parts of a 3D printer.
3D printing is 3D printer is having a filament which is mostly made of plastic. It is passed through a wire pipe from the roll to the heater. The heater melts the filament and build the object which is commanded by the laptop.
The laptop is connected to the 3D printer by a C-type PLC. The laptop is given command by a program known as Cura. This Cura app helps to create and update the 3D printing objects.
Thank you.